Board mar kar thieth mar Nairobi Hospital okwedo weche maliekore ni laktache mag kar thieth ma kamano ni e ng'anyo. Giwacho ni onge notis moro amora mar ng'anyo mosemigi kod laktachego, ka gimedo ni chenro magi mag thieth dhi mbele maonge ng'ikruok moro amora. Ka giloso gi jofwambo, giwacho ni jogo mayudo thieth kanyo kik bed kod luoro moro amora e yudo thieth kaka pile. Odiechieng' manyoro laktache kokalo kuom KMPDU nochiwo notis mar dhi e ng'anyo e ndalo 7 ka gidwaro ni board mar osiptalno mondo ogwe tao.
Availability and
asante sana. I hand you over.
Of top expertise, both young.
There is no strike. I thought we were very clear. The chairman of MAC told you that we don't have people who are striking. We have consultants who give a platform to do their business. The people who were yesterday at the gate are not our employees. I want to make that very clear. Our employees are very well looked after staff who will hardly not go to any other clinical center in this country other than Nairobi Hospital. They are very well looked after. They are above what you had over there, and they belong to the Nairobi Hospital.
We have not had, as an institution, any formal complaint from our local doctors that they are being mistreated, they are being underpaid, they are being overworked. When you have individuals who are hired guns out there making statements on matters private institutions, while they should limit themselves to the arena of public institution, you should listen and look at their statements with caution.